Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we start then?
Yeah.
Are you going to say action?
Action.
Good evening, everybody. I'm that girl biker, and I video my life on two wheels and bring you guys along for the journey because it's never boring on two wheels. And tonight it's not going to be either because we've got a very special guest. So this lovely young lady, you're going to say hello?
Hi.
Has never been to a bike night before, ever. So we're taking you to Willingham Woods, which is my favourite bike night in Lincolnshire. What should we try and look out for? Is there a specific colour bike you think that we should look for?
Pink.
Pink. Right, okay. So if there's a pink bike...
yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, I've got yellow bikes. There's not many people with yellow bikes.
You're just unique.
I know, in more ways than one. Right, so if there's a pink bike, I'll buy the ice creams. If there's no pink bike, you buy the ice creams.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
Right.
I don't think there will be because it's all like red ones.
Yeah, there's a lot of red, a lot of black, a lot of silver. But you never know. There might be a nice shiny pink one there. So
Hopefully.
we're heading there now. We'll be a couple of minutes, so we'll see you when we get there. So we are here, and it's busy. And what have we spotted already?
Pink bike.
Let's go and have a look at this pink bike. Are you alright? Yes, thank you. Da, 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 da. There we go, look at that.
Yes, lads. Pink bike. So cute.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
So what does that mean then, now that we've seen a pink
You're
bike?
buying the ice cream.
Let's have a walk up and down and then we'll get an ice cream then, that's the deal.
Alright. Are we going up there then?
Yeah, so we'll walk up that direction.
Okay.
So we just have a look, see if there's any cool bikes. Look at how shiny that one is.
Is yours as shiny as that?
So that's very shiny because it's got a lot of like metal bits on it.
Yeah.
So mine doesn't have as many metal bits, but see how that has a lot of metal bits, but that's not as shiny. There you go. Hey, you alright? Oh, thank you, appreciate it. Oh, look, see, that is cool. That's a fast one.
Wait, so is that bit usually covered and then it's just like not uncovered?
Yeah, so you get some bikes that have, so that's called like a cruiser. So it's got more showing. So my bike, obviously it's a different sat position, your sat's different, but all that's normally like hidden so you don't see any of the engine. But that's a V there, so it's got your engine on an angle there.
Yeah.
And then that one's more like for going off-road. And then you've got a really shiny one again. So this is what, I don't think it was souped up like that, but Dad when he was younger, my dad, that's what he had, but in black.
Alright, do you have to polish it often then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll be polishing that after every ride.
Right. Is that the same brand as yours?
This one, no.
Oh,
So that's an old one. It's similar, it's same same brand.
Yeah.
Is that what you said,
Yeah.
brand? Oh, sorry, yeah, same brand. Yeah. Hey, you alright? You alright? Oh, you're gonna have a little scooter.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Hi. This is like what your mum wants.
Really?
Genuinely. A trike. That's a Can-Am, I think.
Can you get two people on that then? Is that why she wants it?
Yeah, so you want to sit on the front, because you can get in with two wheels at the front or two wheels at the back.
Oh, the wheels out.
I know. and then you can sit on the back. It's got like speakers and all
You know,
sorts.
it's Despicable Me.
Yeah.
It looks like Gru's car.
Does it? Ah, look how cute that is.
So cute.
Ah, that's adorable.
I need to put my sunglasses on.
I know. So they all need to park the same way, because when they park with the bums out, you can't really see what they are. Do you know, I really didn't think that we'd see a pink bike.
Really?
I thought I had it in the bag that you'd be buying ice creams. They're nice.
I actually thought we were going to see one.
Did you? Did you
Yeah.
just have a feeling?
I had a feeling.
Oh, look at that.
My
Old one.
spidey senses tingled.
That's cool.
Very cool.
Thank you. On that one, RD350. They're an old one. This is an old one. Going for it.
Molly, also watch where you're going, darling.
Oh, so cute.
You alright? Yes, thanks to you. God.
It's so popular.
I bet it's weird for you seeing this, isn't it? Like, it's shiny as well. Look at this beast.
Aprilia. How do you say that?
Aprilia.
Oh.
Aprilia.
Red Bull.
Yeah, Red Bull helmet.
Aprilia.
Right. Let's go up here then.
What are you doing? You're on your bike? There's a car.
Look, more Kawasaki. Have you seen that?
Easter Bunny. Is it the Easter Bunny? Or is it just a bunny?
What's the difference?
That's deep. Suzuki.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's the one. I swear.
What?
Do you have a Suzuki?
I have a Suzuki, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. And another Suzuki. Look at this colourful one.
Ooh.
It's a bit snazzy, isn't it?
Yeah. What's your favourite ever bike? Is it your bike?
Yeah, my Suzuki Gixxer, yeah. That's my favourite ever.
Ever. Oh. That was just not my mic off.
10 minutes to figure it out.
How did you get into riding bikes? Because of Dad?
Sort of. I'd already loved bikes. I've always enjoyed being around bikes and seeing them and having them ride past me, and it used to give me like butterflies in my tummy, like excited, yeah.
Okay.
So then eventually I was like, well, I've got to try it and see what's making all these grown men meet up
Yeah.
and ride all over the place for a bag of chips.
For a bag of chips.
Oh, that's Lorenz.
One time I met a man that wanted to cycle all the way to, like, round Europe.
Well, cycling's a bit different. Look at that helmet, that's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's a nice one.
that's really cute.
Oh, yellow bike, can you see it?
It's like, yeah, it's leather. It's not leather, yellow.
Leather.
I said leather instead of yellow. Like, just leather.
Daytona.
Triumph.
That's it. It's a Triumph as well.
Do they? Is that like a storage area?
That bit?
Yeah.
No, that's where your fuel goes.
Well,
So that little cap on, just watch because they're trying to look as well. So that cap at the top, that opens up, that's where your fuel goes, that's your fuel tank. Sometimes
Is it
under
the
there.
back? Is it at the back of yours?
No, they're all in a tank. There's only a couple of bikes. Kramer, NC 750s or something as well that have the fuel tanks in the back. But like this one, so there, that under that seat you'll have a tiny little bit of storage. So you might be able to get like a Capri Sun, literally.
Do you have one?
Yeah. So on my Gixxer, it's a big storage. I can get jumpers and all sorts in there.
Oh.
But my BMW is literally, you can fit a Capri Sun in it.
So do you have to like wear a backpack?
No, I don't really. I don't really take anything. Some people put the boxes on like these, you know,
Oh,
like
yeah.
the top boxes. So you can get more storage.
It's like a barbecue.
It does look like a barbecue.
Barbecue.
But yeah, when I go out, I don't really need anything. You only like need a lock or something,
Yeah.
or a jumper if you think it's going to get cold.
Red. Is that like
It's a nice colour.
ombre? Or is that just
Yeah.
like...
It's like two-tone, isn't it?
Yeah. That's cute. They're like really intimidating.
What are the
The
bikes?
bikes, yeah.
Just watch out.
These are like big chunks of driving metal.
Big chunks of driving metal.
Yeah. They're like intimidating. They should add beeps to when they're reversing, so it beeps when they reverse.
Well, you don't have a reverse. You have to do it with your feet. You have to move it with your feet. So
You make the noise yourself.
yeah. Yeah. I actually do that if I'm going back. I go beep beep just to take a mickey. More coming in.
Oh, maybe they want to go here.
Yeah, maybe they do. Never mind. They're not going here. Look at that. Look at that wheel.
Wow.
A bit different, isn't it? We've just seen that. There's another one of them over there. Did you remember?
Yeah,
Over there,
I
wasn't
remember. Duke.
Yeah, KTM Duke.
Can some of them have like, you know, like reflections on the mirror and it like makes like a circle?
Like on cars. I suppose you can do, yeah.
Like Batman.
Look how sparkly that one is. You see the sparkly paint?
Oh my god, yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
What are you riding?
You what, sorry?
What are you riding?
I've got a S1000RR and an old Gixxer. A K2, so.
Give it a bit of a bend. Yeah.
Are you going that way or that way? And there we have it, your first ever bike night.
Woohoo! Yes, can't wait for many more.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did.
What was your favourite thing?
Looking at the bikes.
So many different ones, isn't there? So many different styles, colours, everything.
Yeah.
And we saw some wheelies.
Yep, some.
So that used to be a really big thing before the cameras were there, that everyone, well not everyone, but like a big group of people used to do like loads of wheelies up and down. It was so cool. And then they put the cameras up and it stopped. So it was really nice to see wheelies. And we got a burnout at the end, didn't we?
Yeah.
So that was cool. Would you come again?
Yeah, I would. Yeah!
Woohoo! Okay, doke, so we'll sign off. So what do we say at the end of the video?
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Don't forget to
like and subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications on.
Oh, that's good. That's not one that I say. So what do they do?
So hit the bell and turn your post notifications on so you get notified each time I upload.
Each time I upload?
Each time that girl biker uploads.
There you go, you heard it here first. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.